Okay, so you've finished recording your different themes for your Rondo project. You have your A, your B, and your C theme. And you've also made sure that you have downloaded Soundflower and gotten me to unlock it for you. If you haven't done that yet, you need to do that before you can start recording your Incredibox recordings to your computer. So your first step is actually to open up QuickTime from your applications. Although you won't actually see anything open, it will be up in your Finder area, up at the very top near the apple. And you're going to open a new audio recording. The next thing you're going to do is go up to the apple and open your system preferences. In your system preferences, click Sound, and you're going to select Soundflower 2 channel. So the second option usually is what it is. You can minimize this. Okay, you're going to go back to your QuickTime. You click on this small triangle and make sure that Soundflower 2 channel is selected. It will have a little check mark by it if it's selected. So check yours, make sure that it's this one. When you select these, you're not going to be able to hear anything coming out of your computer because the Soundflower application is going to make it so that your computer can hear what it's playing. So your QuickTime is all set. You'll be able to record. And your next step is to actually click on your link of your first theme. Once it's loaded, you can see the composition. And I can see here that it's definitely playing. I can see these little gray bars moving. That means that the QuickTime recorder can actually hear what's going on. Okay? So my suggestion would be this. Hit record before you have your Incredibox guys start playing. That way you get a nice clean start. So I click record. I click review. And I can see that my guys are singing and my computer is picking up the sound right here. Once the recording is done, you can just click stop on the audio recording and you can close your Incredibox window. Okay. The next step is to open up GarageBand. You need to open up a new project, and this time you need to select voice. You can call it your name and Incredibox, or Rondo if you'd like, or both. And click create. I would select no effects. That makes sure that there's no effects on what you already have. And you can get rid of the other track if you want by pressing Command Delete. Okay, so now your GarageBand is ready to record. You can open your Finder. And you're going to actually go to Movies. Even though you didn't make a movie, it's in Movies. I know from looking at the title of what we recorded that this was audio recording 4. Yours will be audio recording and then some number depending on how many audio recordings you've made. So you literally just click, drag, and wherever your line is where it will drop at. If you see the black line that's going up and down here, wherever you drop it is where it will go. You can drag it over. At this point, I would save it. So File and Save. Okay, next step is important, otherwise you're going to tell me that you can't hear your sound. You need to turn Soundflower off. So you're going to go back to the Apple and System Preferences, back to your sound, and you're going to turn it back to internal speakers. That way you can actually hear what's going on. So you close this, and now you should be able to hear your sound going on. Great. So make sure you go back, make sure you record. You can do the same thing to record your B theme and your C theme, and if you have a D theme, you can obviously do that for the D theme too. Make sure you put these in rondo order. If you just give me A, B, C, you haven't given me rondo form and you haven't shown me that you understand what the form actually is. Okay, that's it. Have fun.